The raise body effect you loved, now in soft mode. I love the original raise body effect. It's bold, it's intense, perfect when you want that dramatic, high-impact look. But sometimes you want something softer, same energy, just lighter. So today I'm showing you a version that keeps the glow without covering the face. Same vibe, different mood, use whichever fits your edit. Both versions are saved for you. Bold or soft, the choice is yours. Free XML is linked below. Let me know in the comments which one you'll use, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.